didn't know that I was eligible to even have applied for disability until 2011. And that was when one of my doctors asked me, you know, why aren't you on it? And I said, well, because we own a house and my husband has a job. I don't qualify. And he was like, no, Miss Codital, before all this happened, you worked, you paid into the system, and it doesn't matter, you know, what your spouse makes or anything like that. It's, you've paid in, you get the credits because it's your money and you're disabled. Because I was talking about how much our medical bills had started to accumulate and that I had no worth to the family because I couldn't work anymore. I didn't know what to do. I knew from the beginning that my case was going to be a difficult one to prove because I have MS. And it took us 7 urologists since 2005 to finally get a diagnosis. And I filled out the paperwork for Social Security through their online benefits program, and I was denied. And by that point in time, I had had so many issues go on that we had to get somebody to drive me because I had no vision at some points. And, you know, I couldn't clean my own house. So even though we had a house and my husband had an income and we had insurance, it still was costing the family a lot more than, you know, what we anticipated. I have a son who's autistic and I have a daughter who has severe asthma. So, and I have MS. So you can only imagine what we spend monthly on medication and doctor bills. I did contact them when I received the letter because you have to contact them and then file a grievance like within so many days so that way you do have the time to get an attorney or build up your case. So I had to do that within so many days. And then I contacted McKernan and asked, you know, if somebody would be willing to take my case and help me. Because I knew, even though I have all my medical records and I had all the documentation, I don't know the law. It was wonderful. There's nothing else there's no other word. I honestly believe that no other attorney would have taken my case because it was going to be a difficult one. Thank you. Thank you for hiring the people that you do hire that works for you, all the way from the person that answers the telephone when you first call to the ones that assess your case, and even the workers that have to sit there and just go through everything and listen to you and feel the pain that you feel and know your story. And, you know, just, they're great people. I've never seen a staff better than here. And I honestly felt like they were part of our family for the last 2 years.